We got Mr. Thomas over here, and we are modifying a brush guard for him. You know, he got the little baby truck, wants to make it look like the beast over there, so so we got her up on the lift, and we're gonna have to do some modifications to make this one work. So what he's doing right now is he's getting the brackets on there, and then we're gonna set her up in place, and we're gonna dig the welder out, and we're gonna weld the brackets in, because if you look up underneath here, he's only got one bolt hole right there for it. And of course his frame steps down right there, so there's no way to bolt it up correctly. He tried putting it on there and it kept hitting the headlights. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bracket and we're going to put the bracket up here like this, right there, and then we're going to weld that dog in place. And then we're going to get the brush guard on there, and that way he can have some really cool fancy lights on there, you know.
And I can hit the deer and not dodge them and wreck my truck.
Yeah, and be able to smack the deer and not have to worry about wrecking his truck. He's already done that once. As you can see, it's got a new fender and new door and new bed and everything else from trying to dodge. So he don't know he don't have a ram, you know. So we're gonna make this Chevy a ram today. So anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna let him get all that stuff done here, and then we'll bring you back here in a few minutes and we'll show you how we're putting this together. Okay, well, we got the brackets welded in. You see we had to modify them a little bit to make them work, but they're welded in, so they're not coming out of there. And we're putting on the bottom dust shield here where his lights go. And he's trying to get all the clips up in there, because you see I got that little gap, because it's a little tight right there, but it's gonna work. Yeah, see, this side's coming together nice.
Owie.
He said owie.
Because my favorite word is Audi.
His favorite word is Audi, he said. That's what he said. I heard him say it. Same thing. So, alright, so we're going to bring you back here in a few minutes when we get ready to set this dog back up on here and bolt around and show you what the final product looks like. Of course, y'all see Shorty out there. She's riding out of town. She loves right. She likes the big four-wheeler versus her little one. Her little one, y'all, her little four-wheeler decided to die. So I got to put a carburetor on it. I think this one was only like $14, but got to take all that plastic stuff off to get to it on this one, which ain't no big deal. We'll do it. Just we're trying to save you get out there to Arkansas first, so we'll get it when we get it. Right now she got the big one she can ride, and she likes riding that one, so we'll anyway, well, like I said, we'll bring you back here in just a minute when we get the other brush guard on there. Like I say, he wants it to make it look like the boss out there, you know. So we're good. We'll see you in a short. Okay, so due to the configuration of his framing and everything for this, I'll stand you back just a little bit so you can see it. We've got her sitting in place right now, so he's just going to bolt the brackets up there. I didn't want to bore you with all the noise of the welding and everything, but you know, we got everything cleaned here and everything. The brackets are been ground down, clean and prepped. So now as soon as he gets the brackets back on there, we're going to go ahead and set it back in place, and we are going to weld it. So I'm going to try and get you a little better angle here, you know, because sometimes we want you to see what's happening, man, you know. Yo! Hey, go get my welding helmet, please. My welding helmet. She likes helping out when she gets to ride the four-wheeler to do it. Yeah, I got my tractor soaking in Marvel mystery oil, all the pistons and everything. So I'm hoping maybe I can break it loose. It was like 120 out here that day. I was mowing with it and brought it up here. And when I shut her down, she didn't want to fire back up again. Didn't even want to turn over or nothing, man. I'm like, oh no, that's not good. You know, I checked the water and oil, everything was good. I think it just couldn't take that much heat. Dump.
Can you lift this up a little bit?
Lift that part up? No, this needs to come down a little bit. I'll let y'all watch all the boring stuff, him putting bolts on. See, this is what happens when you got friends like me.
Oh, well, it can't be answered.
Super cool friends with a lift, man.
Burning arms over here.
That's how you do it. You just buy a lift and you get all kinds of cool friends.
Thanks, Gary. Not so cool with my arms burning though. Let me hit the gym some more.
Uh-oh. He just admitted to being the sissy. Oh, I ain't gonna dog you today, man. My back is killing me from that pressure washing.
Oh, good. I appreciate that.
I'm such a nice of a guy. Always ain't got them ratchet wrenches, man. Yeah, there's 2 ratchet wrenches laying right there on the damn table. What size are they? 3/4 and what? 17? 3/4, 3/4? Oh, it was a 3/4 you said. Good Lord. I knew you said that too. And I still grabbed the 17.
We only got one nut to go.
And you gotta crank them all down as you get them up there. Sorry, loves a four-wheeler. Yeah, bro.
Well, I'm thinking now we gotta get it back right.
Yeah, you do gotta get it back right. You gotta move it where it's gotta be. So, where's it gotta be? Looks like it's gotta go over that way.
I'm gonna tighten it down. I don't know what. 'Cause that one looks straighter than this one. I think we should lower these, get the brackets played for, you know what I mean?
Alright.
And
Yeah.
then find out.
Take the ratchet wrenches. It'll save you a bunch of time.
Help me out, those two brackets. Don't bang them.
This tractor can't even hardly stand up right now.
Alright, this one. I'll do that one.
Yeah, this one, that one's gotta come out a little bit more.
Like that, there it is. What do you think about this?
You see how this bracket's sitting back? It's sitting, okay, you got it right there. It's sitting right at the little turn down.
I like that gear. That's a dead center of both of the frames. I like that. I like that a lot.
A lot.
I like it a lot. I'm walking with it. I know this don't matter, but. Alright.
You good right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably only before a little bit more for the level, right?
Well, it's not that, it's the
Deal. Right there, the beach. Right here. Right
that's giving you the gap, see? That's why I was trying to come back a little bit. And give you a little more room on that top up there. Okay.
Yeah, I'd say well, that's it. I'd say well then. Well, right, where's that?
Alright, let's see what we got. We got some plastic things. If you like it, I'll weld it.
Yeah, and then while you do that, you need my hand? At least to tack it.
Yeah, let me tack it in place. That's all I'm going to do with it.
I'll dremel out the plastic. We gotta take it all the way back off, put the plastic back on,
Yep.
and then
Yeah, don't drum the plastic because these brackets are welded in there.
these hands don't care, look at them.
Okay, we gotta be able to get this up here high enough. She ain't gonna reach. So the transmission jack. Will the other jacks hold it in place?
Yeah, I think, let's see. Go ahead.
And it's my smiling face again. So here we go. You got me again. All right. So as you can see, we got it going on up there. Little adjustments here and there, a little tweaking. Make sure she doesn't hit the lights and everything. She's got the spacers in right there. So we can bring it out a little bit. But he's happy with it, so that's all that matters. And then now he's got it on the lift, he's going to use a pressure washer and clean up the bottom there. He's got a rear main seal that we got to do on this.
Eventually, for sure.
Needs to do it pretty quick. I'm going to give you a little inside look here. I'm going to tell on him. He's been a slacker. A slacker. Here he is. See, look at that main seal. Yeah, oil filter. So, but unfortunately on these trucks you got to take the whole transmission out to do the rear main seal. So we're going to be doing that here soon, because that little fun tool right there is a transmission jack, and that makes pulling these transmissions super sweet.
Super sweet.
Versus a 4-wheel drive where you got to take the transfer case out and all that other crap. But yeah, these little 4L60s they're pretty lightweight compared to the Boss's transmission over there.
Oh my God, you keep doing that.
Because it's not a baby truck, but it's not a big truck. You know, the Boss she's the boss. I mean, that's why it's a 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive HD, you know. That's why we call her the Boss. I mean, come on, that truck got hit at 80 miles an hour, rear-ended, and all it did was fold the hitch down and totaled 2 other cars.
Dang. That's awesome.
Well, look at there. So we got some nice. Oh, you gotta adjust that one back.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah. You gotta do that tilt on the bracket. Just loosen it up and tilt it back a little bit. Or slide, you gotta slide the whole thing back pretty much. Because we had more room than that when we were setting it. I think the whole thing has to slide back a little bit.
That's all we getting.
It's looking beautiful. Then we're gonna hook him up with some lights on here, and we'll try to make it look like a real truck here soon. Look at there, look who we found. We just found her. She was hiding.
All day. Could have used your hand.
Oh.
Give him a hand.
All right.
He's got a baby truck. He's got to be happy.
They won't even give me a U-Haul ball.
All right. So we're gonna end this video here. She's oh, there we go. That's much better. No, I guess we ain't gonna end this video until he gets that done. Okay.
That's about even, Gary.
Yeah, that looks pretty sweet right there.
Isn't it? Mm-hmm. Is it pretty even?
Yep. Yeah, it's nice and even on the.
Yeah.
Pretty tight on that one right there. So you got right there. There you go. Nope, you pushed it right back into it. Sorry guys, the sun's coming from the west over there.
You like that?
Okay, that looks pretty sweet. That looks pretty even on both sides.
This side's off. Go that way a little bit more. Just so tight, you're good now.
Dang, I think it is bent.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is. It's bent.
it's a little bit.
You can see where somebody hit something with it. That's probably why you got a deal on it.
Those trades. traded.
But we can,
Still, that's $80.
hey, once we get it locked down, yeah, versus 400 like mine. So, get it locked down and we can always bend that down.
Y'all like that though? Looks good?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, you got good space on the lights, and that's what we're worried about the most.
Yeah, so if your truck rattles, it won't break your lights.
Yeah. So we can adjust that side right there. You can see, yeah, you can see where something's hit it right there on that corner. So, and just so y'all know, I'm gonna bring you up here so you can see what we're talking about. See the dent in it right there. So it looks like something has hit it and bent it up a little bit. And then they've caught something right there. But $80, you got a pretty sweet deal on it. And we're making it work. All right, guys. So on that note, till next time, if you like what you see, come see me, Junk the Gems Homestead. It's not Junk the Gems 3 no more. I can't even make it rhyme no more. So anyway, you know how they always say, like, subscribe, hit the button. It's right there. It's right there. Just hit the button. Just punch it right like that. So we love y'all. We'll see you next time.